saying you were tired of feeling bought and sold. I heard the tremble in your voice when you exhaled. Like every truth you carried finally tipped the scale. You stepped inside like you were scared to breathe, saying every promise made a turn to grief. And the way you looked at me hit deep and slow, like you were asking if I'd stay but scared I'd go. I've been quiet with the things I feel, watching you try to heal from something never real. But now you're here shaking out the hurt you hid, and I see pieces of you that nobody ever did. Your midnight confessions pulling us closer than we've ever been. Every fear, every